Hi everyone, my name's Chris Blackburn. I'm the head of sales here for ISR training. Today we're going to speak around a really quick tip on how to overcome the first initial objection. People outreaching to clients you may receive, call me back, I don't have time for this, can you send it on an email? So what we tend to follow is a three-step process we call A.R.T. That stands for acknowledge, respond, and then transition. So when we're looking to acknowledge a client's initial, what we call a brick wall statement, that's where we have to repeat that back verbatim. This shows to the customer that we're actually listening and that we are general human beings that are there for their best interest. So when you're acknowledging, it's all around repeating that back verbatim. After we've done that, we need to respond or relate to the client to get them to understand the level of rapport that we are going to build. Then what we'd look to do is actually transition away. So a lot of sales companies that we train, people try and overcome the initial objection, where all we need to do instead of overcoming that is actually get around the brick wall statement and then allow an ability to ask effective questions to the customer. So as an example to that, you may give somebody a call and they say, I'm busy, can you send it on an email? Absolutely, I can send that on an email, and I respect I've probably called you out of the blue today. Can I just confirm though that you are an electrician, is that correct? So what I've done there is I've acknowledged and repeated back to the client exactly their objection. I've related to that to say, hey, I have actually called you out of the blue today, but something I needed to ask you was, and then I'd ask the question that I was going to ask anyway. So what this will enable you to do is actually overcome the first initial brick wall statement and then allow an ability to actually get an understanding of what the customer is looking for and see whether you could assist moving forward.
Some kind of moment.